The saga of my PENTAX FA Star 600 F4. So I have gone to Sun Camera, which I did a video of. They said that they can't repair it. They don't have a PENTAX person who specializes in those lenses. I've scoured online to try to find somewhere. I'm not sending it to Precision Camera. That is not gonna happen. No! Too many unfortunate stories I've heard about dealing with Precision Camera. So I was forwarded to another place, northish, more east of myself. Reached out to him. That gentleman said that they need to see if they can find a repair manual, so like a schematic of the lens. So I sent him all the information, serial number, pictures of exactly what lens it is and everything, and I finally heard back. Yeah, the lens can't be repaired. Hi, yeah, I'm calling about my PENTAX FA Star 600 F4. Yes, this is Kobe. It cannot be repaired. There's no manuals anywhere, no information, no documentation whatsoever. You've reached out to everyone in your network. Okay. Okay, well, I guess that does it then. Well, you know what, thank you for trying. I appreciate it. Yep, you take care as well. Bye. Well, there you have it. There's no documentation anymore. His suggestion was to reach out to PENTAX Canada and see if they can do something. So that is going to be my final step in regards to trying to get this lens looked at. It's not looking good, but it is what it is. I'm hoping that PENTAX Canada can help me out. Don't know if they will be able to, if Sun Camera, who is an official repair center for PENTAX, can't do it, because they would be in contact with PENTAX, at least I would assume so. So yeah, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. But that's where we stand right now. Well, I guess at the end of the day, I'm not gonna need these anymore, right? Because, well, I've got this. That's all I'm gonna really be able to use this for, except for just display purposes, right? But gotta use the equipment that you have to get whatever job done. So this is now going to be, I guess, my new weight. All jokes aside, yeah, I am pretty bummed at the fact that I unfortunately, one second, cannot get this repaired. I was really looking forward to it, but it's been dropped, not by me. I received it this way. Don't know if you can really tell, but right here, it's dented in just a tad bit. So unfortunately, it is what it is. Just wanted to do this video because I know people have been curious as to what I'm doing with this lens and what's the repair status and why have I not done any videos shooting with this lens. Well, now you have the answers. As awesomely magnificent as this thing appears, unfortunately there seems to be an element inside that is out of alignment, and if there's nowhere I can take this apart and get it fixed, then I'm basically out of luck, right? So that's pretty much where we're at, unfortunately. And I'm testing out a new camera. Well, not a camera. It's actually a body cam. I was trying to find something super convenient where I can just clip on, run and gun, do you know, nice wide angle things, you know, with the most simplistic way of recording stuff. So I'm just kind of testing this out. So if the exposure is off and all that stuff, this isn't exactly the ideal environment, but I gotta test it. So you guys are seeing the test in real time. I'm probably way overexposed, actually on this side, right around here. But overall, from what I've seen with this, it's actually pretty nice. And unorthodox thinking, using a body cam as your behind the scenes or B-roll cam, they're actually very, very convenient, and the audio's pretty freaking good if you ask me. But anyway, that's going to be it for this video. If you like the video, leave a like. If you have not already, please do subscribe, always helps out. If you want to be a member of the channel, that info's in the description. If you want to support the channel, that's in the description as well. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions of maybe other places I can look to try and see if I can get this bad boy repaired, let me know, because you know, I don't give up that easily. It's been a long road. I would love to get this lens looked at and repaired, but I'm running out of options that I'm aware of. So anyway, thank you for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate the support over the years, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.